And I asked her to come over and stay with me one night. She said she didn't want to. And I found out why, because she said she's afraid the roof would fall in. I don't blame her. Oh, dear.
How old were you when you got a car? Your first ride in a car?
Well, I was 15 when I drove Dad's car because he was bringing sheep in out of the mountains, and nobody could drive the car. Mother couldn't straight to, so Charlie Groom showed me what to do, and I got in it and drove it, but not very fast because I was just in head of the sheep herd.
Yeah.
And I was 15. But to really learn to drive, well, I must have been around 17 years old. But we had to turn a corner. There was a canal, and then you turn the corner to go down that lane. And I nearly missed the bridge. But I got there anyway.
Yeah.
And I got married, and my husband had a brand new Ford Coupe, Model A. And I wanted to go to Mother's, and Lita was a baby. And he says, no, I haven't got time. You get in that car and go yourself. I said, well, I don't know for sure if I can drive it. He told me what to do, and he says, I'll go on, you'll be all right. So I did.
Good.
What year did you get married?
I got married the 17th of April, 1930.
Then tell me your girls' names and when they were born. Your girls, when you had your girls and what their names were.
We were married the 17th of April, 1930, and the 6th of April, 1931, we had our first baby girl, Lita Jane. And my name was Jane, Mother's name was Jane, and Grandma, her mother was Jane, so we carried on that name. And then, let's see, in 1933, 24th of December, Marlene was born, our second daughter. She was our Christmas present.